The GPS vehicle tracking system provides the functionality of monitoring and dispatching your vehicles in simplest way by providing a bird's-eye view of your vehicle location via Google Map. Monitor daily use of your fleet or freight resources. Guarantee first-class customer service by providing real-time asset and fleet tracking. Improve vehicle utilization by eliminating unnecessary idle time and operating misuse. Locate lost or stolen property with exact location details and geographical positioning. Increase employee productivity and efficiency by eliminating wait or downtime, dispatch inaccuracies and tardiness. Capitalize on accurate fleet and asset data for profit or loss analysis, accountability and budget preparation. Develop strategic transportation planning schedules along with advanced vehicle maintenance routines. User-friendly access to quality information and data relating to your specific industry. Provide safety and security to personnel with direct assistance and support. A provided GPS tracking device that attached to your vehicle will get a geographical location from a GPS satellite. Common GPS tracker uses GPRS connection to send data to a system server, which is truly expensive, costing about 15 pesos per send, 90 pesos per hour, 2,160 pesos per day, 64,800 pesos per 30 days. But on this system, the GPS tracker sends data via SMS to server and users' mobile phones at very low price, depending on postpaid or prepaid services of the telecommunication. The Tracker page is where you can see all ongoing trip on a Google Map, including all the locations of your vehicles, destinations like batching plants, yards and other specific destinations. Also here, you can see the locations of restricted areas, also known as hotspots. You can also change the type of the Google Map into a map, satellite and even the combination of two or hybrid type. On the left side of the Tracker page, you can browse all previous trips arranged by date of the trips on a tree view. As you select a trip, the path of the vehicle and where it came from and go to will be showed on the map. You can also filter the list of the trip, by date, and by group of your vehicles. You can also see the other detail of the selected trip on the Detail tab at the bottom of the page, such as the trip or deer number, cargo, who's on duty, destinations of the trip, number of alerts, and number of idles. Also, you can click the icons shown on the map for more details. At the bottom of the page, you can see all the details of all ongoing trips, such as the plate number, who is on duty, date of the trip, current address of the location of the vehicles, trip mileage, and number of alerts. Once an alert has been raised, the system will automatically highlight those trips together with their alerts in red background. This will help the users to easily notice that some alerts have been made, such as removal of the GPS antenna, and power source, SOS, hotspot alert, turning off of the GPS device, and etc. You can also expand the alerted trip by clicking on the arrow on the left side of the list to see the details of alerts made by the vehicle. To go to the Crew Master, just point on the master at the menu, located at the top, and click Crew. At the left side of the Crew Master page, where a list of existing groupings with your existing employees are located. To add an employee, just click on the Add button. Once the button changed to Save, you can now type the detail of your new employee. After typing all the detail, just click on the Save button, and it will automatically appear on the list of your crew. To add a new group, just click on button at the top of page, and type the name of the group you want to add, then click Save. To edit an information of an employee such as group, just click on the desired employee, and click Edit button located at the lower part of the page. And once the Save button on lower part of the page appeared, you can now edit the information of the selected employee. Once done, just click the Save button. To go to Vehicle Master, just point in Master at the menu located on the top of the page, and click Vehicle. Just like the Crew Master, you can see all your vehicle at the left side of the Vehicle Master page. And you can see the detail of a vehicle by clicking it on the list. There are also filter options at the top of the list to help you find your vehicle. To add a vehicle, just click the Add button located at the lower part of the page. Once the Add button changed to Save button, you can now type the details of your vehicle. To save the detail of your vehicle, just click the Save button, and it will automatically appear at the list of your vehicle. To add a vehicle group, just type the name of the group at the text box located at the top of the list, and click the Add button located at the bottom of the text box. To edit the details of your vehicle, just click on the vehicle, and click Edit button located at the lower part of the page. Once done, just click the Save button at the lower part of the page. To delete a group, just click on the group, and click the Delete button located at the top of the list. When you delete a group, all the vehicle under it will automatically go to unallocated. On the Destination Master page, you can also see the list of your clients on the left side of the page. To add a client, just click the Add Client button. Once the button changes into a Save button, you can now type the details of your client. To save, just click on the Save button, and it will automatically appear in the list of your clients. To edit a detail of a client, just select the client from the list, and click the Edit Client button. Once the button changed to Save button, you can now edit the detail of your client. To save, just click the Save button. To add destinations under your client, just click the Add button. Once the button changed to Save button, you can now type the detail of the destination. edit a destination, just select the destination and click the edit button. Just like adding a destination, when the button changed to save button, you can now edit the detail of the destination. Click the Save button to save the changes of the destination. To delete a destination, just select the destination you want to delete and click the Delete button. To go to the Hotspot Manager, just point on the Setting menu and click Hotspot Manager. On the right side of the page, you can see a list of hotspots. You can click it to locate a hotspot on the map. To add an hotspot, just click the Add button located at the bottom of the page. Once the button changed to Save button, you can now configure the detail of the hotspot you want to add. On the drop-down list, you can select Just Alert option to alert if a vehicle is inside the hotspot, or If Time Reached option to alert if a vehicle stayed inside the hotspot for a specific time, or If Time Not Reached option to alert if a vehicle didn't stay long enough inside the hotspot for a specific time. Hotspots need geographical coordinate points to set up the hotspot's geofences. To add a coordinate, just type the longitude and latitude and click Add. To edit a coordinate, just select the coordinate from the list and type the new detail for the coordinate, then click the Edit button to save. To delete a coordinate, just select the coordinate you want to delete and click Delete. Once done with the coordinates, just go back to the Detail tab and click Save to completely save the hotspot. To edit a hotspot, just select the hotspot you want to edit from the list and click the Edit button. Once the Edit button changed to Save button, you can now modify the detail of the hotspot and click the Save button to save the modification. To delete a hotspot, just select the hotspot from the list and click the Delete button. To create trip, just go to the Track It page and click the Create DR button. On the Create DR page, you can see all the locations of the sites of your clients. Also, a list of all available employees or drivers is displayed on the right side of the page. To begin, just type the DR number for the trip. This is necessary for tracking the trip on the system and reports. Then, on the drop-down list, select the vehicle you want to assign on the trip. If there is no vehicle on the drop-down list, it means that there are no available vehicle for the trip. Then, select the destinations of your vehicle by checking the destinations on the list. This system is also capable for multiple destinations. After that, check also all the employee you want to assign on the list. If there are no employee on the list, it means that there are no available employee for the trip. This system is also capable of assigning multiple employees on a single trip. And finally, click the Dispatch button at the bottom of the page to completely create the trip on the system, and it will automatically appear on the Track It page for tracking. To modify a trip, just select the trip on the Track It page, then click the Manage DR button. On the Manage DR page, just like the Create Dear page, a list of locations of all the sites of your clients, and a list of all available including the employees assigned on the trip is displayed. On this page, you can now modify the trip detail of the trip, or change the destinations or employees of the trip. To save the modifications, just click the Save button. Also on this page, you can cancel a trip by clicking on the Cancel DR button, and it will automatically be marked by the system as a cancelled trip. The Activity Detail Report provides all the detail of each trip such as dear number, who's on duty, destination reached, alerts, vehicle number, status, average speed, locations, start time and etc. The system also provides a summary of all data of Activity Detail Report, and put it on another report called Drive Time Summary Report. This report tells the total distance traveled by the vehicle, how many stops has been made, maximum average speed, start and last known location. The Trip Alerts report provides the detail of all alerts made by a vehicle such as alert type, date and time the alert has been reported, description, and the location where the alert has been made. The Idle Time report provides all the detail of an idle made by the vehicle such as the start and end time of an idle, duration and location. The Driver Log report is most likely a log of a driver. It tells how many trips has been made by a driver, start and last location, number of trips, mileage, travel time, and start and end time. The Runtime report is the total opposite of the Idle Time report. It provides data occurred on every moving or running points of a vehicle, such as average speed, distance traveled, duration, and location. Fleet Location report focuses on the location of vehicles. It tells where is the vehicle on a specific date and time, and their status.